Step into the legendary Harley-Davidson factory in York, where American craftsmanship builds every Harley-Davidson Sportster S with pride and precision. Hundreds of skilled Harley-Davidson factory workers arrive daily, bringing generations of expertise to create the revolutionary Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
From the heart of Pennsylvania, the Harley-Davidson factory comes alive as production of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S begins. Thousands of precision-sourced components from around the world gather in York, ready to become the most advanced Harley-Davidson Sportster S ever produced. Premium Brembo brake calipers are cataloged with precision, delivering race-level stopping power to the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
High-performance aluminum billets arrive, soon to be transformed into the counterbalanced crankshaft of the Revolution Max 1250T engine.
Carbon fiber sheets prepared with utmost care for the sculpted aerodynamic panels of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Fully adjustable inverted front forks arrive, contributing to the enhanced 2025 handling of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Lightweight forged wheels scrutinized to ensure perfect balance and strength for the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Complex wiring harness components prepared for the sophisticated rider aids of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Revolution Max 1250T engine crankcases emerge, designed as stressed members for superior rigidity in the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Structural steel tubing organized precisely, forming the robust backbone of every Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Every frame component traced and verified for complete authenticity in the Harley-Davidson Sportster S build.
Signature high-mount exhaust systems arrive, enhancing both performance and aggressive styling of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Nothing enters the assembly line without clearing Harley-Davidson's rigorous quality standards. With every premium material inspected and ready, the transformation into the ultimate Harley-Davidson Sportster S begins now. Now the foundation takes shape. The robust steel trellis frame of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S begins its precise journey in York.
Expert welders create seamless bonds stronger than the base material, forming the unbreakable backbone of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Parallel construction ensures every Harley-Davidson Sportster S frame receives identical world-class craftsmanship.
Non-destructive testing confirms racing-level weld integrity before further progress. Cast aluminum nodes mated with exact torque, optimizing strength and weight in the Harley-Davidson Sportster S chassis. Precise heat treatment eliminates internal stresses, enhancing durability of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S frame. Post-treatment, the frame achieves peak strength and precision geometry. Thorough surface prep ensures perfect adhesion of the durable black powder coat finish. Automated powder coating delivers uniform, tough coverage in controlled environment.
Laser scanning confirms zero deviation from design after coating process.
Each finished frame stands as structural art, ready to unite with the Revolution Max 1250T engine. A lineup of perfect chassis signals the transition to power integration. Precision bearings installed with controlled force for effortless steering response. Every mounting point strengthened for secure attachment of aggressive bodywork. With the backbone perfected, the Harley-Davidson Sportster S prepares for its revolutionary heart.
Step into the legendary Harley-Davidson factory in York, where American craftsmanship builds every Harley-Davidson Sportster S with pride and precision. Hundreds of skilled Harley-Davidson factory workers arrive daily, bringing generations of expertise to create the revolutionary Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
From the heart of Pennsylvania, the Harley-Davidson factory comes alive as production of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S begins. Entering the core of Harley-Davidson manufacturing, where raw steel becomes the iconic Harley-Davidson Sportster S. The meticulously organized hall reflects Harley-Davidson's unwavering commitment to quality in every Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
The target for the Sportster S is 50 units by shift end.
Focus on precision.
Specialized zones maintain pristine conditions for the advanced electronics of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Leadership confirms every station prepared before precise assembly begins. Internal logistics flow seamlessly, supplying parts exactly when needed. Smooth handover maintains continuous momentum in Harley-Davidson Sportster S production. Detailed planning ensures every Harley-Davidson Sportster S meets legendary standards. Advanced climate control protects sensitive components throughout production. Past and future converge, where every Harley-Davidson Sportster S carries legendary heritage. The stage is perfectly set, every element ready for the birth of the ultimate Harley-Davidson Sportster S. With the factory fully alive, the critical union of frame and engine marks the true start of each Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Advanced suspension begins here. Fully adjustable inverted front forks are built to deliver the enhanced 20
Brembo radial mount calipers pre-assembled with precision, providing race-inspired stopping power for the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Forged aluminum wheels and high-grip Dunlop tires united, creating the massive contact patch that handles the Harley-Davidson Sportster S torque. Heavy-duty swing arm constructed with exact tolerances for perfect rear-wheel alignment on the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
High-performance brake rotors built in parallel, ensuring confident braking for the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Precision steering components prepared for effortless front-end control on the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Service system of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S constructed, linking advanced sensors to the central electronics.
Rear shock individually tuned for optimal balance between comfort and aggressive performance.
Quick access fuel system built and validated for reliable delivery to the Revolution Max 1250T engine.
Forward controls pre-assembled, placing commanding ergonomics in the rider's reach.
Liquid cooling components built to manage extreme heat from the powerful V-twin. Breathing system optimized for maximum power from the Revolution Max 1250T engine. Signature exhaust headers tuned for deep rumble and unrestricted flow. Modern TFT display fully validated before rider interface installation. Nothing proceeds without final subassembly verification at Harley-Davidson standards.
With subsystems masterfully prepared, the stage is set for the Revolution Max 1250T engine integration.
The revolutionary heart awakens. Assembly of the liquid-cooled Revolution Max 1250T V-twin engine begins for the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
This counter-rotating crankshaft reduces vibration while delivering explosive torque that defines the Harley-Davidson Sportster S character.
Lightweight forged pistons and titanium rods engineered for high-rev durability in the Harley-Davidson Sportster S power plant.
Crankcases united with exact torque, sealing the foundation of massive low-end power. Advanced variable valve timing system assembled, optimizing performance across the entire rev range of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Liquid-cooled cylinder heads bring superior thermal management to the high-output V-twin of the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Millimeter-perfect timing guarantees optimal power delivery in every gear.
Advanced liquid cooling and lubrication systems integrated for sustained performance.
Smooth shifting 6-speed gearbox built for seamless power delivery.
High-capacity clutch delivers massive torque with light lever effort.
Electrical and starting systems complete the self-contained Revolution Max 1250T unit. Each engine prepared for individual validation before chassis marriage. Cold validation confirms mechanical perfection before full power test.
Full power verification delivers the promised torque and horsepower.
Only proven engines earn the right to power a Harley-Davidson Sportster S. The moment arrives. Fusion of frame and Revolution Max 1250T engine. With perfect alignment, the liquid-cooled V-twin unites with its aggressive chassis.
Sculpted side panels optimized for airflow and heat management on the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Integrated lower panels protect components while enhancing aggressive stance. Low-profile windshield reduces wind blast while maintaining clean lines. Sharp tail unit maintains the razor-edge profile from every angle. Sculpted tank cover contributes to forward mass centralization and iconic styling. Functional intakes force-feed the Revolution Max 1250T for peak performance. Critical heat protection safeguards rider and bodywork during hard riding.
Perfect panel alignment ensures both beauty and aerodynamic function. The transformation complete, from skeleton to fully dressed modern icon. With silhouette perfected, the Harley-Davidson Sportster S prepares for its digital intelligence. Now the intelligence awakens. Advanced electronics integrate to make the Harley-Davidson Sportster S one of the smartest modern cruisers. Shielded wiring weaves seamlessly through the frame, connecting every sensor and system for flawless operation.
Central ECU and IMU form the brain, enabling cornering ABS, traction control, and ride modes.
Modern TFT dashboard becomes the rider's information hub, showing speed, gear, and lean angle clearly.
Precise sensors feed real-time data for advanced safety systems.
Intuitive controls allow instant switching between road, sport, and rain modes. ABS module integrates with IMU for braking confidence even at lean.
Comprehensive system check verifies perfect communication between electronics. Electronics protected yet serviceable, blending performance with practicality. Digital systems activated. Each bike now senses, protects, and enhances the ride. Electronic throttle delivers instantaneous response tuned per mode.
Adjustable damping adapts instantly to road conditions.
Perfect electronic harmony achieved in the Harley-Davidson Sportster S. With electronics perfected, only final precision remains for completion.
Final perfection demands absolute precision. Alignment and finishing elevate the Harley-Davidson Sportster S to legendary standards.
Millimeter-perfect front-end geometry ensures razor-sharp steering and stability.
Precise drivetrain alignment guarantees flawless torque transfer and cornering confidence.
Custom sag settings optimize balance between agility and comfort. Absolute brake integrity achieved for confident modulation. Vital fluids filled precisely for thermal management during hard use. Exhaust tuned for optimal flow, deep sound, and visual symmetry. Factory fresh finish, restored to showroom perfection. Temporary shields guard flawless finish until owner unveiling.
Controls positioned for commanding yet comfortable forward posture. Optimal pressures ensure immediate grip from first ride.
Alignment complete. Each machine performs and looks exactly as intended. With every detail perfected, rigorous testing stands as the final gateway. Only perfection passes. Rigorous quality control and testing ensure every Harley-Davidson Sportster S delivers legendary performance and reliability. Advanced optical inspection confirms flawless fit and aerodynamic precision of every panel. Brembo braking performance validated for ultimate confidence. Complete electronic network confirmed flawless, from lights to rider aids.
Full power verification unleashes the promised torque and horsepower.
Signature deep rumble preserved while meeting global standards. Refined NVH ensures thrilling yet comfortable experience.
Real-world feel confirmed. Handling matches legendary expectations.
Only the perfect pass. Each machine certified, worthy of the Harley-Davidson name.
Ultimate oversight ensures no detail escapes.
Complete history travels with each Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
Testing conquered. These modern icons prepare for owners worldwide. The mark of perfection earned. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S, ready for final touches.
With quality unquestionable, the final chapter begins. Delivery of American freedom to riders everywhere.
Perfection preserved. Final packaging ensures every Harley-Davidson Sportster S arrives in flawless, factory-fresh condition. Suspension and wheels immobilized to prevent movement during global shipping. Crate sealed with precision, ready for secure international transport. Safe elevation begins the journey from factory floor to warehouse. Every superbike tracked meticulously from production to delivery.
A fleet of modern icons stands ready, each crate holding pure American performance.
The journey to passionate owners begins. Secure dispatch from York to the world. Professional loading ensures zero movement across continents. Sealed and secure, another batch of ultimate machines begins their global journey.
From raw materials to masterpiece, this is the complete journey of modern American freedom.
If this epic journey of American engineering thrilled you, like this video and comment which motorcycle we should build next.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Join us for more real factory breakdowns of the world's greatest motorcycles.